I'm Nazar from Geeks, and today we will be setting or programming the limits on a tubular motor. Today's motor is an Alpha WSME. So the first step is that you want to make sure that your motor is all the way in the down position before we start the programming. Now that the motor is in the down position, we can attach the curtain to the shaft. After attaching the curtain to the shaft, we'll bring the motor up. Now that the motor has naturally stopped, we will start to adjust the top limit. On the motor, we have the top and bottom limit, and we will start to increase the top limit by continuing to screw in the counterclockwise position to increase the travel. You don't want the bottom slot to go past the rails. Now that we've set the upper limit, we can run the motor down and back up just to test it. Now we'll run it into the down position to see how far it will go down. And we can increase or decrease the bottom travel. I will decrease it just to demonstrate how to increase the bottom travel. So currently we have the curtain not fully down, so we can spin the travel in the counterclockwise position to increase how far down the motor will travel. So in this position is the maximum you want to go down. You see that the hangers push the curtain up against the wall. You do not want to exceed this limit. Let's go back up.